Hello and welcome to math lesson number 21. So first of all, guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on video? Hello! Hello! And we'll now begin with our meditation sequence. So let's sit down and find a nice space, straighten our back. 2 fingers, heart center, left hand on our lap. Close our eyes. Just concentrate on your breathing, not too fast, not too slow, not too deep, not too shallow, just nice, steady breaths. Last couple of breaths now. And when we're ready, slowly open our eyes and come back to the room. Okay, guys? Feel good? Yes. What's next? What shall we do? Stand up and push in our chairs. Okay, so let's begin by up. Let's stretch up. And this time, when we stretch up, let's think about giving our spine a little exercise. So let's go side to side. Gently, gently, not too much because you don't want to hurt your spine. Just side to side. And then back to the middle, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards. Stop. Hands on hips. Give a little wiggle. Stop. Give a little wiggle. Stop. Give a little wiggle. Stop. And now we'll go down. Down to the ground and into a ball. And we'll stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump! Excellent. And take our left arm. Let's have a shake. Take our right arm and give that a shake. Left leg, kick it out. And back to the right leg, kick it out. And we will finish with how many claps? 10. I'm hearing 10 the most. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great work, guys. So far in math lessons, we've learned about two main forms of mathematics. The first one, if Teacher Wes is to write this sign on the board, what does that mean? Plus. So when do we use the plus sign?
Addition.
Excellent. We use plus sign when we want to do.
Addition.
And how do we spell addition?
A-double-D.
A-double-D-I-T-I-O-N. Addition. Together. Add together. And then we learned about.
Subtraction.
What does subtraction mean? Minus or take away. So how do we spell subtraction? U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Subtraction. Can we say addition? Subtraction. Addition. Subtraction. Addition. Subtraction. Subtraction. Addition. Very good. So now Teacher Wes will do a few simple equations so that we can jog our memory. So first of all, for addition, 24 plus 24.
48.
Okay, so first column, the ones, 4 plus 4.
Equal 8. 2 plus 2 equal 4.
48, okay? But if we want to use the same numbers, we take away 24 minus 24 is 0. You see how they are the opposite. When we use plus, we add. When we use minus, we take away or subtract. Subtraction, very good. So now, a slightly more difficult one. Plus 58. So 7 plus 8. 15. So Teacher Wes will write 5 here. Then what do I need to do? Put 1 on top.
And 9.
5 plus 3 with the 1 we carry over. And then 1 plus nothing. 1. 195. Okay? 137 with 58, but this time we don't add, we subtract. So let's see, 7 minus 8. Can we do?
No.
What do we need to do?
Borrow.
Borrow. Do we borrow from here?
No.
We borrow from the next column, don't we? So the ones is not enough. We borrow from the tens. So 3 becomes 2, and 7 becomes 17. So 17 minus 8, 2 minus 5. We can't do. We're not adding. Pakpong, remember, we're not adding, we're taking away. 2 minus 5. But we can't do. So we need to take the 1, 12 minus 5. And now we have nothing here. We had 1, but we've borrowed. So you can see how the same numbers, they have a different function when you use either add, addition, or subtraction. Okay. So now we're going to have a look at the PowerPoint presentation to show the relationship or the different relationship between addition and subtraction. So guys, all turn our chairs slightly so that you can have a look at the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so today's PowerPoint is titled Relationship Between Addition and Subtraction. Can we say that together? Ready? Relationship between addition and subtraction. Okay. So the first slide, subtraction is the opposite of addition. With addition, we add together. With subtraction, we take away. So subtraction is the opposite of addition. They have opposite functions. For example, let's look at these figures. 3,000 plus 4,000 equals, so see, when we add together 3,000 plus 4,000, 7,000. But 7,000 minus 3,000 equals 4,000. 4,000 plus 3,000 equals 7,000. 7,000 minus 4,000 equals 3,000. So what can you see happening, guys? When we add, the figures go up. When we subtract, the figures go down. Up, down, up, down. Let's have a look at some more examples. Let's practice, practice, practice. Can we say practice, practice, practice?
Practice, practice, practice.
Practice, practice, practice. 200 plus 600. 800. 200 plus 600 equals 800. But what do we think? What figure minus 200 gives us 600? Yes. Here, if we have 800 minus 200 equals, yes. You see, when we subtract, we go down. But what figure minus 600 gives us 200? 800. So when we add 2 and 6, or when we add 200 and 600 together, we get 800. But when we use 800 and take away, it gives us 200. So remember, when we add together, addition, we go up. When we take away or subtract, we go down. Last slide. Teacher Wes won't say this time. Let's see if you can do together. The first one, 1,000 plus 8,500. What's 1,000 plus 8,500?
900. What?
9,500. But how about 9,500 minus 1,000? Very good. And the final one now. 9,500 minus 8,500. Yes. So you see, for all of the questions, the same figures are involved, but you get different answers depending on whether you're adding, addition, or taking away, subtraction. What does addition mean? Up. What does subtraction mean? Down. Excellent, guys. I think we're now ready for our next activity. Hello and welcome back to class. We hope you enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation about the relationship between addition and subtraction. Remember, they're the opposite. With addition, the figures will go up. With subtraction, the figures will go down. Excellent, guys. And what we'll do now is a flashcards activity. So teachers, you will need to have printed off the flashcards and cut them into individual equations. There's some addition equations and there's some subtraction equations. So students, be careful to look which one you have. Okay? And what we'll do, just for the next 5 minutes, give each student one equation and have them work it out and then show you the answer to make sure they understand the concept. So are you ready, guys? Ready? Okay. Nadia, you can go first. Down. You want hard one? You want the hardest? Okay. Okay.
Thank you. Hard one.
You're welcome.
Hard first. Hard first. Hard first.
Okay, guys, so work out your answer, show your borrowing if you need to, or show your addition if you need to, and then teacher Wes will check. Use pencil. You finished already? Everyone is different, so you need to work on your own formula. Where's your name? Don't forget to write your names on, guys. Finished? Yes. If you know what you're doing, they will be easy, not very hard. But the worksheet might be harder. So let's see, Ned. High five. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. What do we need to do? Subtraction, not addition. Teacher Wes said be careful. Prel, you can help too. Be careful to check your sign. This is what Teacher Wes wants you to check for. Do you have to addition or do subtraction? Not hungry? Oh, hi, Tim. Excellent. Excellent. See, we have to add. Hello and welcome back to class. We hope your students had fun filling in their math equation, subtraction or addition problems. And the important thing to remember is for them to check if they have to do an addition problem or they have to do a subtraction problem. Okay, so next guys, what we'll do is we'll do our stretching sequence. So can we stand up and push in our chairs? Yes. Okay, ready? So we'll stand and we'll begin with a march. We'll just walk. Stop. And then we'll jog on the spot. Just jog gently, nice little jog. In fact, you can just shake, flop, flop. Just help your body flop and stop. And then we'll jog a little bit quicker. And now we'll go slow motion, and then we'll go quicker again. And stop. And now can we turn around 3 times? 1, 2, 3. Okay? And next, we'll go down to the ground. And we'll count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump! Excellent. And finish with 3. Only 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Okay, that was great, guys. And now it's time for our worksheet activity. So teachers, what you will need to do is print out the worksheet prior to the lesson, and it's one for every student. Students, what is the first thing we need to do? Write our names on top, and then you can see they have to answer the following series of equations. They have to look to see what the missing number is where the question mark is. Some of them are addition problems. Some of them are subtraction problems. So be careful to look so you know what you're doing, because if it's a subtraction and you add, it will be wrong. You need to check the figures first and what symbol you need to use. So, Nadia, for you. Down.
Thank you.
Pangpon,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Lakau.
Thank you.
Ned,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Prel,
Thank you.
Chu, you're welcome. Pakboom and Pat.
Thank you.
Okay, so give your students around 15 minutes for this activity, and then what you can do, you can just monitor the class. Any problems they have, if your students are stuck, obviously you can help them. That's what you're there for. So guys, any problems you have, let me know and I can help you. And remember, the important thing with today's activity, because we're doing both addition and subtraction, is to make sure which symbol is in your problem, because that's what you need to do. And if you need any additional paper to do your working out, let me know. Okay, let's see what we've got. 500 plus 300, 800, excellent. But what we need to do now is what number, if we take away 500, gives us 300?
1.
No. What about this number? If 800 minus 500, you see, we have to find, we have the answer, but we need to find the number to take away. So you see, 800 minus 500 gives us 300. But what number minus 300 gives us 200? What number?
Five dozen.
500. If we have if we have 500 and we want to take away 300, what does that give us? 200. This is good to show you how addition and subtraction are opposite, because for some of them you have to add and so others you take away. That's it. You can use your paper to work out with. If you need any paper, you finished? Let me check. No. 800 minus 300 is not 200. 800 minus 300 is... Yes. So think again. Ned, how we doing? Okay? Excellent. Very good. Perfect. Excellent. But just check, same as Latgal, just check the final one. We need to change this number. Latgal, just spend more time. You have 6,532. 6,532 plus, so you can't have the same number because you have to add, see, 6,532 plus 1,901. So it can't be 6,532 again. What we need to do for this one, so we have 6,532, yeah? And we have to add 1,901. So 2 plus 1? 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 5 plus 9? See? Because you're adding this number to this one. So you can't have this number again, because it would be the same. Okay, so let's see. So yeah, so what number do we need? Minus 26,000. So you see here, we added them together. This number goes there, and then and then this final one. This one goes there. It's the same. This number goes. High 5. High 10. High 15, 20. Let's have a look. Okay. Correct. 65,532. So what do we need to do when we add? So we have 65,532. 19,351. So we need to add, so 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 3, 8, 9 plus 5, 14. See, so this number plus this number gives us, see, 883. And this number is here already, 84, 800, 803, minus 65. So let's do the next one together. So 84.
This is
883. So let's see, now we have to take away. This one was addition, so this one is subtraction. So 3 minus 2, we can do 3 minus 2 gives us 1. 8 minus 3, 5. 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 5, no. So we need to borrow 7, 14, 9, 19, 3, 5, 1. You finished? Don't forget your names, guys. Nadia and down. Very good. Okay, welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to find the correct formula. Some of the figures that were missing, we had to add or use addition. Can we say, guys, addition?
Addition.
And some of the other figures that were missing, we had to use
Subtraction.
addition means to go up, add together, and subtraction means to go down or take away. Okay, so we hope you've had a good lesson and we'll see you again next time. Can we all turn and say goodbye to our friends? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.